Hello friends, let's start my class. In this class, I am tell you all sounds of words. Let's start now. What are all sounds of words? Words, they have all the sounds. They have all sounds. There's tap, tap, top, bag, box, and more sounds of words. Okay, yeah. I'll give you a riddle. Oh, sorry. Okay, friends. Friends, you tell me one sounds of word, please. I don't know. Yes, fun. What is sound? What is this sound? Is it fun? Are you know? Sound is fun. No, fun. Okay, second word. Tap. Wow. T-A-P. What is this sound? Is it a tap? Tap. A sound है ना? Tap. And bag. Yes, it's the third number of bag. 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 Is it bag? Ba. Sound are same, but okay, it's okay. Sound and a bag. Tap. Okay, I got this top. Okay, top. Now is a top. Okay, top and back. Okay, 3 words are completed. We have 10 words. Okay, and fourth, kid. What is sound of this letter? E. Kid. Okay. And fifth, lap. Okay. Not this lap. Don't lap. It's a dog. Okay. Okay. Jug. Some words are repeating, but anyway, we learn. Okay. This is sound is oh. Okay. 5 words are there, and some words are there. 6. Okay. Sorry, not this. I don't write this. Box. This ox. Box. Ox. Sound to ox. Is it new sounds? Okay. Box. Ox. Okay. 7th word. Leap. Sound is E. Leap. Is it leap? What the sound is? Leap. 8th word is gun. It was this gun. G. Sound is sound is okay. There was fun, and then ninth word is fan. Ninth word is fan. And this and gun. Okay, un. The not sound is un. Is it a an? Fan and okay, sound is an. And 10th word is top. 10th word is tap. 10th word is tap. App. Not double P wala app. Okay. Tap. AP. Okay. You know these things. Okay. अब आपको पता चल गए हैं ये sounds. All the sounds words are you know now. And let's do a quick rhyme. And we have some questions and some games and learning. Okay. Sounds are good for the health words. Sounds are good. Repeat after me. Sounds are good for all the kids. You learn it. Sound. Fan, ran, Sam, tam, tap, gun, jug. Kids leap. Any sounds have a sound. A sound is 3 letter, 4 letter. Any letters are sound. Okay, the rhyme is very fun. Okay, some quizzes. Now, time to quiz. Okay, I am tell you first word. Is it tap? I am tap. Okay, what is this sound? Sound इसमें क्या है? What is sound? This word tap. Sound is sound is second. Okay, 2 questions. Gun है. Is it a gun? Okay, tap your shoes. Tap. Okay, gun. What is sound? Sound is un. Okay, is it not clear? All of my babies. Off. Okay. I am telling you once again what are all the sounds words. What are sounds words? Sounds word tell us our sound. Apna sound. Our sound. Okay. Yeah, also he tell sounds and he tell words also. Okay, word also. He tell not sound also. He tell also words. Okay, so I am writing fan. Is it not working? I'm writing fan. Is it not good handwriting? Fan. Okay. Is it a word? Yeah, a sound word. Is it? Their sound is an, and this word is fan. ये word भी है और एक sound word भी. Okay. Okay. This is a good thing now for this thing. Okay, you don't write rhyming words. Okay. Okay, friends. Let I am tell you own. Okay. Your teachers tell or not 10 words. Your teacher tell us 11 words, 15 words, any more words. Okay. So words. Words are repeating thing on all the sounds. So, मैंने लिख दिया एक वर्ड. मैंने वर्ड ही लिख दिया. वर्ड. इसमें अ डाल रहा है ना व अ. बट देयर इज नॉट यू. तो कैसे ये तीनों वर्ड्स अ बन. व अ ड वर्ड. दे आर नॉट यू. O and R is not you. Okay, O and R is not you. But why is it word O Q R S? O is not consonant. Is it vowel? And vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. There are consonants now. 5 consonants. 5 consonants are all the consonants makes the sound. All consonants makes our sound. U sound is A. E sound is E. E sound E है. नहीं. O sound E. E की sound A. They are mixed their sound. And their sound is what you do. You what do now? You give O. Our sound is O. And is it a word? Okay? Clear? They are all the sound words. Not these words. Okay? You learn this class very small things. Okay? And bye friend. You can थोड़ा सा भी अच्छा लगा ना. Please like, subscribe and share also. All the things you can share. Your book you can share. Your drawing you can share in ma'am, your friends also. Yeah. Anything you can share all the friends. Your ma'am, your Annie, your sister, brother, or you can share the toffees and anything. So please share this video all your friends. Okay. Okay. Bye. Thank you. Bye bye.